man Jesus raised from the dead lived for 30 more years, and almost no one recorded a single word he said about it. Lazarus walked out of that tomb in Bethany, wrapped in burial cloth, 4 days dead, in front of a crowd of witnesses. It is one of the most dramatic moments in all of Scripture. Then silence. Ancient church records from Cyprus identify him as the first bishop of Kition. He crossed the sea. He led a church quietly for decades. He died an old man, but he never described what death felt like. At least nothing was ever written down. Some historians believe that silence was not accidental. The Gospel of John records that the chief priests plotted to kill Lazarus specifically, not because of anything he did, but because people were believing in Jesus just by seeing him alive. His existence was proof, and proof was dangerous. So the question that haunts ancient historians is this: did Lazarus stay silent to survive, or did he carry something from inside that tomb that no human language could hold?